Sometimes kids get murdered for ends. So before we go any further on my end, Bill, he didn't have a dollar. He was Harvard material, Ivy League scholar, had a PhD, an MBA. Now he's leaving because his rent to pay. Companies downsizing, inflation rising. Can't find when he says, forgot to count how many times he been blessed. So he falls off tracks, smoking the crack. And once it hits his brain, starts to chain react. Tells the shirt off his back, shoes off his feet. He's losing all his teeth, now he's out in the street. And all of a sudden it's like Jesse James trying to stick up his for their watches and chains. But he's from business school and he's nervous with the tools, so he ends up on his back in the blood and food.
Step up! Step up!
Rat stitch on one another for ends. Sometimes kids get murdered for ends. So before we go any further on my ends, I knew this chick named Sally. She had a nice strut, and everywhere that I went, she was up in the cut, swinging that butt. Raise your head. Only rapid men's that rock the fly gear. Brand name wearing, champagne waving, jewels around the neck. Style she's crazy. Ain't no saving, she's doing no spending. You do the lending, she'll do the bending. Straight machine bending, it's funny to take. Shopping sprees, get her on her knees. And if you hit her with the keys to your crib, you acting funny. Come home one day, find her counting out your money. From the wetlands all the way to the Apollo. If you broke, she's spitting. If you're rich, she might swallow for the ends. Some people will rob their mother for ends. Rat snitch on one another for ends. Sometimes kids get murdered for ends. So before we go any further on my ends.
Grab. Step up forward. Step up forward.
I knew these two homeboys that made a lot of noise, making money on the block. Kids was on their job. They was tougher than leather, like Reverend Ron and DMC. They was toting guns, holding weight, going out of state, stacking mad chips and pushing back.
Step up.
Got